All right, so say you wanted to find a unit vector in the direction of u, and you also wanted to find a unit vector in the opposite direction of u. So let's say we'll call the one that's in the direction of u v1, and we'll say that it's u divided by the magnitude of u, right? And so I've already done this work, and the magnitude of u is 30 square root 38. So that would be 3 divided by the square root of 38, 2 divided by the square root of 38, and negative 5 divided by the square root of 38. Now that's in the direction of u. What about in the direction opposite of u? Well, in that case, what we would do is we would say minus u over the magnitude of minus u. Now notice that minus u is equal to the magnitude of u because 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 magnitude, once I put this into the either one of them, I'm going to get, they're all going to be squared. So they all end up becoming the same values. So they're equal. All right, so if we did this, notice how the signs change different from each one. All right, so we got minus 3. Oh, so we got minus 3 over the square root of 38, minus 2 over the square root of 38, and 5 over the square root of 38.